Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chavi Shastri, and this is the second video of my playlist Data Science using Python. In today's lecture, we will discuss about data preparation and learn about how to add an index field using Python, how to change misleading field values using Python, how to re-express categorical field values using Python, how to standardize numerical field values using Python, how to identify outliers using Python. So, what is data preparation? Data preparation in data science refers to the process of cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data into a structured format that is suitable for analysis or modeling. It involves the following steps. First is data collection, next data cleaning, then data transformation, fourth one is data reduction, fifth one is data splitting, and the last but not the least is data exploration. So, data collection includes acquiring data, gathering raw data from various sources like databases, spreadsheets, APIs, sensors, web scraping, etc. Data integration, combining data from different sources to create a unified data set. Data cleaning includes handling missing data, dealing with missing or null values by either removing, imputing, or filling in the missing values. Removing duplicates, identifying and eliminating duplicate records to ensure each observation is unique, fixing errors, correcting inconsistencies or errors in the data such as out of range values or incorrect data types, filtering outliers, identifying and handling outliers that might distort analysis or modeling, data explanation and data exploration. We have statistical analysis, understanding the distribution, central tendency, and spread of data, visualization using plots and graphs like histograms, scatter plots, box plots, etc., to visually inspect the data and identify patterns, trends, and anomalies. So, data transformation includes normalization or standardization, scaling numerical values to a standard range, which can improve model performance, for example, min-max scaling, z-score normalization. Encoding categorical variables, converting categorical data such as label or text categories into numerical formats using methods like one-hot encoding or label encoding. Feature engineering, creating a new variable or features from existing ones to provide additional predictive power or insight. For example, extracting year from a date. Aggregating data, summarizing or combining data to derive new matrices or group information, calculating average sums or counts over specific groups. Data reduction includes feature selection, choosing the most relevant features columns for the analysis or model to reduce dimensionality and improve performance. Dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis PCA or TSNE can reduce the number of features without losing too much information, simplifying models and speeding up computation. So, data preparation. In data preparation, we add index field. In both R and Python, you can create an index column easily using sequence function or mutate or reset index command. Changing misleading field values. You can replace misleading values using if else in R and replace in Python. Re-expressing categorical field values, use record in R and replace or map in Python to rename or reclassify categories. Standardizing numerical field values, both R and Python have functions scale in R or standard scalar in Python to standardize numerical columns, identifying outliers. The IQR method and Z scores are effective for detecting outliers in both R and Python. So this is all for this presentation. Now we will see the practical implementation of data preparation. First we see what are outliers. Outliers are data points that significantly differ from the rest of the dataset. They are values that lie outside the typical range of variation for the data, and they can arise due to errors, variability, or rare events. So some causes of outliers are measurement errors, mistakes in data collection or recording, data entry errors, typographical error when entering data, natural variability, rare but valid observation in data, experimental issues, errors in experimental setup or sampling. So here is code for data preparation. I have written so many comments so that you can easily understand the code. So add an index field using Python, how to change misleading field values using Python, how to re-express categorical field using Python, how to standardize numerical field using Python, how to identify outliers using Python. So I have made various functions for all these tasks. First, we have to import pandas as PD. First, we have to import package panda as PD is a allies. So function for adding an index field is def add index field. Here I have commented wall program to easily understand the code. So df copy is equal to df.copy. Create a copy to avoid modifying the original data frame. So function for changing misleading field values. And here it is a function to express category field. And this is the function for standardized numerical field values. And at last, but obviously not the least, here is a function to identify outliers. So this is all for this lecture. See you guys. Thank you.